Bitboy Crypto Morning TA. Good morning, everybody. It's July 12, 2021. My name is Piano Matty B. This is your morning TA. Brief glimpse into the crypto markets where the sun's shining and the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Over on the 4-hour chart, we see that Bitcoin lit it up this weekend. It's not the 48-hour wraparound when it didn't even go to bed and just kept partying, but nonetheless, she lit her up. On Friday night, it said, you know what, I think I'm just going to relax. Maybe read a Kurt Vonnegut book or rewatch all 6 seasons of Sopranos. As we can see here, as the chart hits some peaceful market equilibrium, or what I like to call market Xanadu. It's when the buyers and the sellers have almost come to an agreement that this is where they're both happy where the price is. It's like when mom and dad both agree on something for a change, instead of arguing all day and all night. But right around midnight, the witching hour, Bitcoin said, I think I'm gonna party. Yeah, you know what, just a couple drinks. Nothing too crazy, just a couple drinks, I said. I used to say that too before I'd go out on a 48-hour bender. The good old days. We see Bitcoin party from 32.6 to 34K before taking another little breather here at 33,008, or in Market Xanadu, Part 2. And 2 is French for 2 because in Canada, we're a bilingual country. We speak both French and English. I don't, but I do know that 2 is 2 in French. Look how Bitcoin is sleeping it off. You might say this Market Xanadu was a 16-hour hangover. And when it finally got out of bed, it still felt crummy, tired, headache, guilt, and it dipped down to about 33K before finding Market Xanadu yet again at 33.4. And this is where Bitcoin was telling itself, you know what, I'm never drinking again. I'm just going to stay home. It's not worth it. You go out, you feel crummy the next day. I mean, we've all been there. We've all said these things. I mean, look at these candles. The opens and closes are all within $100. That's tight. And that's what booze guilt will do to you. But then Bitcoin ordered some pizza and drank a ton of water and said, you know what? I feel good. I feel better. I'm ready to party again. So Bitcoin grabbed an Uber to the downtown nightclub district and lit it up all Saturday night and all Sunday, a proper wraparound. Starting the week high above the 20-period moving average and heading up to test the 38% fib level of 34.7. Now let's get the chart Zamboni to clear this chart and take a look at the daily. Now, what I'd like to see Bitcoin do this week is climb the Fibonacci ladder of power. And here are the key rungs on this ladder. First, of course, it's the 38% fib level of 34.7, which I'd like to see by the end of the day to show that Bitcoin has shaken off all the booze guilts, ready to get back to business. Next, we have another key level of resistance at the 50% fib, or 36K. But as you can see, there's some clear skies above till we hit 61.8 or 37.2. And this has been that key level we need to get through in order to test the resistance at the channel top of 41K. And I think we can see price action getting there by late Wednesday, early Thursday, just in time for the weekend, so Bitcoin can celebrate, light her up again. What do you guys think? Is this the week that we break out of the channel? Or are we going to sit here and battle it out a little longer? And remember, playing the same game as our psychopathic elected elites. That's right, it's a long game. So zoom out. Have a fantastic day. Bitboy Crypto Morning Tea. Oh, I almost forgot. When the banking industry and the multinational corporations stop fearing the wealth they may lose because of Bitcoin and start realizing the wealth they'll gain because of Bitcoin, that's when